May kembot ako. Noong dumalaw ako sa Baliwag, naimbitahan ako bisitahin ang Bertol House. Hindi po ito open sa public kasi may mga nakatira dito. Isa ito sa mga makasaysayang bahay na hindi museo pero dahil sa ganda ng pagkakaalaga, para ka na ring nag-time travel. I am Mona Magdavilus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. The Bertol House in Baliwag, Bulacan was built by Dr. Rafael Bertol. Pinanganak siya sa Negros Occidental noong 1874. Nag-aral siya sa Colegio de San Juan de Letran sa Maynila kung saan niya nakilala ang mas batang si Manuel Quezon. In this 1940 interview with Quezon, he mentioned that as a 14-year-old student in Letran, he selected Rafael Bertol, his mathematics professor, to be his confirmation godfather. Rafael completed medicine at the University of Santo Tomas. Naging doktor siya at natalaga bilang Municipal Health Officer sa Baliwag. Dito niya nakilala ang kanyang future misis na si Carmen Flores. Noong 1901, nagpakasal sila at pinagawa ang bahay. They had 3 children, Rafael Jr., Angeles, and Fulgencio. Naging saksi ang bahay sa career ni Dr. Bertol. Yung malaking bahay niya ang naging extension ng klinika ng munisipyo. Dr. Bertol led the fight against the devastating cholera epidemic of the early 1900s and later helped contain the dengue outbreak of 1918. He also championed the construction of Baliwag's first artesian wells, bringing cleaner water to the town and helping prevent disease before it even started. Kasama ang kanyang asawa, they cared for abandoned and sickly infants. He inspected the town's milk supply, making sure dishonest vendors weren't selling diluted Carabao's milk to unsuspecting families. He even served as a town councilor. At hindi katakataka, binisita ng mga mahahalagang panauhin ang tahanang ito. Maraming bayan sa Baliwag ang dinaanan ng Ferrocarril de Manila-Dagupan, which spanned 195 kilometers from Tutuban Station in Manila to Dagupan, Pangasinan. Dr. Bertol's home had hosted his friend, President Manuel L. Quezon, Governor General Francis Burton Harrison, celebrated soprano Jovita Fuentes, and even Princess Tarhata Kiram of Sulu. In 1918, Dr. Bertol sold the house after Quezon personally persuaded him to join the Manila Railroad Company, which would later become the Philippine National Railways. At noong 1939, habang magkasama bumiyahe sina Bertol at Quezon para sa inaugurasyon ng Manila-Legazpi Railway Line, Dr. Bertol suffered a fatal stroke. Decades later, in the 1980s, another family of physicians, the Centeno family, carefully restored the house, continuing its legacy of healing in a different way. Salamat nga po pala sa mainit na pagtanggap. Nakatayo pa rin ang Bertol House para paalalahanan tayo na hindi lahat ng bayani ay may monumento o rebulto. Yung iba, ang ambag ay tahimik na lugar kung saan pwedeng gumaling kapag may sakit, malinis na tubig, ligtas na gatas, at isang komunidad na nananatiling malusog. O diba?
Meow meow.